Hi, it's Marnie Pedersen from the Getting You Home team at LePage Signature, and you guessed it, we are once again in gorgeous Sawmill Valley. This 4-bedroom, 4-bath home is absolutely beautiful, has a gorgeous backyard, completely renovated, and comes complete with a legal basement apartment, which is so very rare to find in this neighborhood. Come on in, take a look, see what we have to offer, and why Sawmill Valley is just so special. Welcome to 4461 Sawmill Valley Drive. Stepping through the main entrance, you can immediately feel the warmth in this fully renovated family home. The combined living and dining room provide ample space for family and friends. Bright windows, engineered hardwood floors enhance this beautiful space. Enter the magnificent kitchen with stainless appliances, convenient pot drawers to hold all of your essentials, and plenty of cabinet space. Stone countertops, farmhouse sink will leave you wanting for nothing. The main floor family room features a wood-burning fireplace and sliding patio doors to the back deck and back garden. Rounding out the main floor is this convenient powder room. A fabulous skylight and beautiful chandelier welcome you to 4 spacious bedrooms on the second floor. The primary suite features large windows, walk-in closet, and a brand new ensuite. 3 more bedrooms and a renovated 5-piece bathroom finish the second floor. Rarely offered, this legal licensed second suite has a private entrance, 1 bedroom, and an office which can be used as a second bedroom, a spacious living space, kitchen, and shared laundry. What makes Sawmill Valley so special? The amenities, the convenience, and most of all, the community. Do not miss this opportunity to own this beautiful home in the incredible Sawmill Valley neighborhood. For more information on this or any of our other listings, visit us at our YouTube channel at gettingyouhome.tv, on Instagram or Facebook. We are Getting You Home.